Welcome back to NGS Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix character AI can't log in or sign up. Let's begin. Now, if you are experiencing any issues logging in or signing up, for example, I'm gonna log in with my Google, and you can't progress or advance, that's gonna be a good indicator that you are having problems logging in. But the thing is, don't worry, because we got you. There are several steps you can take to troubleshoot or potentially resolve the problem, right? So, number one is, of course, make sure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. As you can see, I can't connect to the character AI because probably there's gonna be an issue with my internet connection. Now, first is try resetting your router or modem to refresh your connection. Now click on try again. As you can see, you need to check that Firefox has permission to access the web and you might be connected behind a firewall. So I'm gonna head over to my firewall setting right now. Now once you are on the firewall setting, you might want to temporarily disable it because some firewall settings can cause login issues. Alright, now if that happens, if you're able to log in with no problems, try to make an exception with the character AI. Now if it doesn't work, you might want to go here instead. Now if you are using a proxy server, try to disable it because sometimes proxy settings can cause login issues. So once you disable that, try logging in back again, and I need you to do the same thing with your VPN. Like the proxy, it can cause login issues. So sometimes a VPN proxy settings can do that. So disable your VPN for now and try logging in. All right. Now the next option that you can do is, I want you to clear the browser cache and cookies. All right. And by doing so, I need you to press, if you're using a web browser, might want to press on F12. I need you to hover to the applications tab right here and click on local storage. Or as you can see, all I have to do is click on the clear site data, which includes the cookies and cache storage. As you can see, the AI already answered some of the information regarding about how to fix the login or sign up issues. All right. Now, if none of the above steps work, I need you to contact the character.ai support center. And from here, that's going to be the login issues. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.